Hey guys, it's Alicia coming at you with this quick get ready with me. Hopefully it's not too bright with the lighting. It's like 9 o'clock and I'm heading out to the first Carnival party in my city, like the FFC. Super excited. Kept this look super like low key. I got some green on the eyes. I've been really feeling green since I did that previous tutorial with the Teal Couture shadow from L'Oreal. I'll link it up below. For this eyeshadow look, I'm using the Juvia's Tri Palette for this easy look. If you want to see how I got it, definitely stay tuned the rest of the video. Subscribe if you already haven't, and stay tuned for more videos from me. Really feeling this look. Very like cute and classy. Probably gonna sweat it out because I am going to the Fete, but you know, cute for the moment. Bye y'all, see you in another one real soon.
Get here. I'm thinking back to the day I saw your face, your eyes, your hair, and I fell in love. I was so dumb, I was so young, but we had so much fun. Driving through the hills and you are on my mind. I keep paying bills that you bring all the time. I need simple things like love, I need simple things like trust, but you can't give them to me. Get your stuff and go, pack up all these clothes. You always want something, you keep running all over Beverly Hills, and I have more to give. Tired of just paying bills, even though you're with me, you're against me. So I'm breaking up Miss Beverly Hills. I am breaking up with Miss Beverly Hills. Why are you laughing? Well, let me say another way. I love your face, your eyes, your hair, but that isn't enough. I have grown up, you want too much, and we have never loved. I'm driving through the hills and you are on my mind. I can't pay these bills if I need all the time. I need simple things like peace, I need you to love me, but you lost somewhere in Beverly Hills. So get your stuff and go, pack up all these clothes. You always want something, you keep running all over Beverly Hills, and I have more to give. Tired of just paying bills, even though you're with me, you're against me. So I'm breaking up Miss Beverly Hills. I am breaking up with Miss Beverly Hills. You gotta get out of here, you gotta get out of here, baby. You gotta get out of here. Oh, get your stuff and go, pack up all these clothes. You always want something, you keep running all over Beverly Hills, and I need more to give. Tired of just paying bills, even though you're with me, watch out for the charming Miss Beverly Hills. Where are we going? Where are we going this time? I'm tired of staying, playing out this lie. We were just trying, why are we dying inside? Our love is iron, hypnotized for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why I refuse to leave someone I should behind, but it works out fine. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? What are we showing? What are we showing this time? I'm tired of faking, feeding you the lines. We're not amazing, why does me changing feel right? Our love's a lion, paralyzed for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why, I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind. I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't wrong, no. I know you and me are wrong. Still I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I ain't never left you alone. I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't wrong. I know you and me are wrong. I know. Still I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you, I haven't left you. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me things. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? Get here. I'm thinking back to the day I saw your face, your eyes, your hair.